It is important to do your work, but it is just as important to check your work.
That's right. So in order to correct your math work, we've come up with an easy way to get started.
One way you can correct on your iPad is using split screen.
To use a split screen on your iPad, you first need to open the prior day's assignment.
Then at the top of the screen, you will tap the three dots and select a multitasking screen.
Once you've done this, you will select Canvas and open up the lesson number with correct next to it.
And now you're ready to correct.
As you watch the video, put a red star next to the ones you got correct.
If you missed the problem, that's okay. Write the correct answer in red and circle the number of the problem.
Do this on each of the problems and then submit the corrected problems the same way you submitted the assignment.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get started.
All right, for correcting, make sure you use red. We're going to see how my buddy Elias corrects his. I like to see him using cursive now. He's getting used to that. That's great. All right, so we were supposed to draw groups and sets, and we were supposed to do the multiplication and draw it on a number line. So let's look at number 1. 2 times 3. Okay, we're supposed to show the representation. If we were to move it around, it'd be the same as 3 times 2. 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2. Now, if you remember, on the top, we're going to do that first one, which was 2 jumps of 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be the same as 3 times 2. So here is 3, and here is 6. Okay, on the bottom, we would do 3 jumps of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be 2, 4, 6. So we showed 2 jumps of 3, and we showed 3 jumps of 2. So now we need to represent that as drawing the sets. So we've got 2 groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we know that that equals 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Pretty simple, right? Okay, so yours needs to look just like this. All right, if you got it correct, you put that star. If you got it incorrect, you put that circle. All right, let's look at the next one. So we've got 2 times 5, which is the same as saying 5 times 2. All right, so we're going to do 2 jumps of 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know that's 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's 10. Now we got to show 5 jumps of 2. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, now same thing, we got to draw the 2 groups. So I'm going to do squares this time. So that's 2 groups of 5, 2 groups. I'm going to do a little dice there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is the same as 5 groups. 1, 2, 3. I'll zoom out a little. 4, 5 of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. All right, remember you put a star if you got it all correct. Put a circle if you didn't, and write the correct answer on there once you've got it. All right, let's look at the page 2. Elias, will you show us your page 2, please? Thank you. All right, so now on page 2, I'm going to do the same thing. 2 times 7, just flip those numbers. That is the, whoops, I guess we got to notate. There we go. There we go. All right, that was the same as 7 times 2. So we got 2 jumps of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now 7 jumps of 2. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Make sure you label 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. All right, same thing. 2 groups of 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the same as 7 groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Star if you got it correct, circle if you missed it. All right, 2 times 4. Well, that's the same as 4 times 2. All right, now I got to show it on that lovely number line. 2 jumps of 4. So there's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 1 jump of 4. Second jump takes us to 8. Now we've got to show 4 jumps of 2. So there's 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Make sure you label it. All right. Now we got to show our groups. 2 groups of 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. And that equals 4 groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uno, dos, uno, dos, uno, dos, uno, dos. Okay. Star if you got it correct, circle if you missed it. Make sure you submit. Have a great rest of your day.